Capitalism is an economic system based on the private ownership of the means of production and their operations of profit. Central characteristics of capitalism include capital accumulation, competitive market, a price system, private property, and the recognition of property rights, voluntary exchange, and wage labor. In a capitalist market economy, decisions making and investments are determined by every owner of wealth, property, or production ability in capital, and financial markets where prices and their distribution of goods and services are mainly determined by competitions in good and service markets. History of capitalism. The history of capitalism is diverse. The concept of capitalism has many divided roots, but fully flatted capitalism is generally thought by scholars to have emerged in northwestern Europe, especially in Great Britain and the Netherlands in the 16th and to 17th century. Over the following centuries, capital accumulated by the variety of method at a variety of scales and became associated with much variation in the concentration of wealth and economic power. Capitalism gradually became the dominant economic system through the world. Much of the history of the past 500 years is concerned with the development of capitalism in its various forms. Criticism of capitalism. Criticism of capitalism ranges from expressing disagreement with the principles of capitalism in its entirety to expressing disagreement with particular outcomes of capitalism. Criticism of capitalism comes from various political and philosophical approaches, including anarchist, socialist, religious, and nationalist viewpoints. Some believe that capitalism can only be overcome through revolution, while others believe that structural change can come slowly through political reforms. Some criticize believe there are merits in capitalism and wish to balance it with some form of social control, typical through government regulations. These social market movements, prominent among critics of capitalism, are accusations that capitalism is inherently exploitative, alienative, unstable, and who invented capitalism? Modern capitalist theory is traditionally traced to the 18th century treatise An Inquiry into the Nature and Causes of the Wealth of Nations by Scottish political economist Adam Smith, and the origins of capitalism as an economic system can be placed in the 16th century. Capitalism good or bad? Capitalism is good. There are many positives of capitalism. Capitalism ensures efficiency because it is self-regulated through competitions. It promotes innovations, freedom, and opportunity. Capitalism meets the needs of people and is beneficial to societies as a whole.